At just the right time, Christ died for us. Romans chapter 5, verses 6 through 8.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Seasons of Love was written by Patricia Raybon and read by Joyce Dinkins.
Romans chapter 5, verses 6 through 8. You see, at just the right time, when we were still powerless, Christ died for the ungodly. Very rarely will anyone die for a righteous person, though for a good person, someone might possibly dare to die. But God demonstrates His own love for us in this. While we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Seasons of Love, written by Patricia Raybon. Flowers don't have to be in bloom to be beautiful, says famed landscape designer Piet Oudolph. Even in the dead of winter, the Dutch gardener's award-winning designs are known for their stunning appeal. Beauty is in so many things you wouldn't think of, Oudolph says, although some may disagree. The moment you say, I love plants that are dead, dormant, he said, then you have a problem because people don't like dead plants. Oudolph's appreciation of plants' life cycles echoes a core spiritual principle. While we were dead in our sins, God still loved us. You see, explained the Apostle Paul in Romans chapter 5, at just the right time, when we were still powerless, Christ died for the ungodly. Paul continued, God demonstrates His own love for us in this. While we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Jesus chose disciples with flaws. He ate meals with known sinners. He healed outcasts. Oudolph, likewise, is interested in plants, not only for their flowers, but also for their personality, seeing beauty in things that on first sight are not beautiful. As bearers of God's image, we show Him to the world in how we relate to Him and each other. Planted in His love, we're anointed by our Father to bloom anew in Him, once dead sinners, showing His beauty to a world longing for a glimpse of Him. Let's pray. God, we thank You for loving us even when we were dead in our sin, seeing beauty and worth where we saw none. As You transform us by Your grace, help us reflect Your heart by seeing others with that same compassion, recognizing the image of God in every person. Thank You, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. In what season of your life did God call you? How can you spiritually bloom so others can see God's image in you?
Ayasay Brackley, maday ko ngak malungir rahel del yasay, betokol ada dia kalodenge, ekmal betokol stoar belaw, a ultra Brackley ma aday kong, aklung yolela Brackley maday kong olkilela seer, a Brackley maday kong oroy dat teelel, asadela kasinoma, el mora adal blool mga Brackley maday kong, ayasay akar ekal. El ngaring niya nga yasay, el sabi el makatek taad ang mga yasay, ang mukog tila yasay, ang molmol ng swira ad, el oroy dati el lela maklod sa el moraad. At tara yasay, el dideket malungil rahel del yasay, ek malungil et tabtol adal belaw, ang mga ringi akyabets. Ay gel bebi rahel the benefits el dangar akyabets ang oswira ad, mong masisi olum del, sisi olom delal alang sraat, lungi lo urior alang sringi, lol tu, yol to da yol ter olom del. Edirek akyapet sa ngoswira adal oroida te elela sa rela kasinoman morngi. Atara amalungil yasay, ek malungil blo oil mangaringil yasay ardil, a cauliflower. A cauliflower ak malbotok lo tru raptokol stoar oreor. Yaigil bebira hel the benefits ng ala cauliflower, ak el oy, a cauliflower la alongardil, cauliflower yasa alongardil, el en mangigaret te elel la kasinoma, el morade tarira ardil. Ombradil na mo koar kimel morobab. E boblo oil mga cauliflower, en sabi la cauliflower ang aring yaralira a helder kaw, el kirelas arela kasinoma, el moratum, kapmal masaw, labol sa emloreng, sa tel kadebro lokrat, el kirela yasay broccoli mataykong, makyabet, ma cauliflower.
Research shows that hackers may already be inside your network. Ransomware, email scams, service disruptions, cyber theft. Guardian Cyber helps organizations identify hidden threats, remove hackers from their systems, and strengthen their defenses before serious damage is done. We provide cybersecurity assessments, network cleanup, ransomware recovery, digital forensics, and expert guidance tailored for Palau and the Pacific. Guardian Cyber, Palau's cybersecurity experts, ready when you need us. For more information, email guardiancyber19@gmail.com or visit guardiancyber.online.
Attention graduates, celebrate your achievement at Palacio Hotel Palau from June 1st to July 31st, 2026. All graduates can enjoy 15% off on all a la carte orders. Bring your family and friends and celebrate your success with delicious food and great savings. Don't miss out. Dine in and enjoy more for less. Palacio Hotel Palau.
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply one each pickup truck for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after June 17th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016 or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by local fund. Invitation for bid number IFB 21-26. Public notice is June 3rd through June 17th, 2026. Bidding period is June 18th through July 2nd, 2026. Opening date is July 3rd, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on July 2nd, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. Cool off this summer at Palacio Pool, the perfect place to relax, swim, and have fun. Dive into crystal clear water, enjoy great painting contests, and exciting pool activities for all ages. Special pool pass available for adults, $25 and $18 for kids, with free iced tea, mini pizza, one box new water painting or crayon, and painting paper. And get a chance to win a special prize, night room accommodations, gym memberships, and more. Bring your friends and family and make unforgettable memories this summer vacation, June 1st through the 30th, 2026. For more information, please contact us at 488-8888, extension 135, or email healthspa@palasia-hotel.com. Visit Palacio Pool today, where the fun never stops.
Subdal Morapuay, June 1st, 2026. Tiasub the loltob the ringi arurot tragabli raidi drabelur orior, lo aiselk mo, ngultoy ram lermang le obreo del eldu, ermam lo rot tragabli raidi agilngelk mo, abilung Gloriachi sali, amo mois radu yel bilung, ragabli raidi drabelur orior, leagi o merangalk mo, mlamodial sabel, merulang el tialdui, el kalbilung, loltirak raul de dela, masyugang rabelur orior, mablur belau. Tialul the swam am lotter rocker sera May 25, 2026. Malway se agi olngitrar other orior mablur belau, mabodadag edray ngaseo lotirakli tial mlamotter rockler ramam, el gire ladui el bilung. Kompmal masulang edolngitrar rubakal dios malamakal tangat tergidrogui, mablur orior mablur belau. Signed, rurot ragabli raidid. Subdragmaldi le eldadu. Tia subdras relay other amay Eliayob, loltob dringa mial baskasyo oitrong, obara dapkar Clarence Kitalong, ringel Simon Derbay, adalbay ratang Alensid, rungul ram uang William Ngiraygalaw, other talwang Simeon Aberdong, oilal Job Kikuo, reeriw reermu lililaw, obad sugi sungino, el masubdras rela targid ray other amay Eliayob, Mangalruba kam los mer sera May 29, 2026. Amaldi lam lamotro kalmonira ongay malurior Friday, June 19, 2026. Etiadi mo amaldi le aldadu, yabasyo rakamaldi le, adi moringira bay ray balaw rabalu rangar amay. Malwaise agim subdrar adamam ray galbalu, mamgas pasub de may madaalim edgay ngasewer tial kamaldi le aldadu. Mangayang lagim subdrar ngalgela ebil ngiraged, rangiray tao ngiraged, mangiray lab Ricky ngiraged, Governor Richard Ngiraged, mamosubdra bebi ramiw may madaalim. Mangar along, tigaruba kamasubdra uangar ete Matias Erbay, mamosubdra adad, marbek kalingal gra ete may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Emmanuel Maldangsang, Rahelen Madrangos, mamosubdra bebi ramiw may madaalim. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngirawrel at tiyak rangula, maiol marhens madrangar, mamosubdra adad marangal grawrel may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela aruur ngiray yobey, raebil raley Maria aruur, Albina Timarong, Faustina Maruk, matalngay yalab, mangiray yobey, may madaalim mertial albul. Yang rar dagim subdra ngiraroy sa Francis Kib, maebil raroy sa mihay na kodep, mamosubdra adad marangalga. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngiray rung Isak Sualabao, maebil rayrung Elizabeth Kabukol, mamosubdra adad may madaalim mertial albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra gawal ngiray labriki ngiraged, mamosubdra ngalgela atsko ngirmakur, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Ang gaklaw agim subdra ngalgela Hideko, Rasus, Makarla ngiray lamasang, mamosubdra ngalgela Isayas ngiray lamasang, may madaalim. Mangartmaw agim subdra, Rama subdra tkel, mayaat kel, mosubdra bebi ramiw, may madagay ngasew ertial albul. Mangaramlunguy agim subdra Sisinia Osima, madil ranglod Rosania ngiray galaw, mamosubdra bebi ramiw maradad. Agidirek kalmasubdra diakon ringil, madalarak, mamay madaalim. Agidirek kalmasubdra row, Batye ke yalab, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, may madaalim. Angat pang agim subdra ngalgela Victoria ngiraramyang, Rasiles, Mamarcela, mamosubdra bebi ramiw, may madakay ngasew, edaalim mertial albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Iterong, Ra Constantino ngiraged, mangalgela Martin Blodak, rangalgela Nico Blodak, Michael Blodak. Ay malig, agim subdra diringel Augustina Elwel, agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Royce, Ratioco Dukor, Marcelino Olgril, Serenia Derbay Mamis, mangalgela Satski Dukor, rangalgela Ngirturong, Rarigel Takataro, madangalyang Raklay, rangalgela Ngiru, Raalid Sugi Rangol, Rudel Ngirabab Rangol, mangalgela Ari, Rabrengs Yalab, Marbebi Retir, Hailey Ari, Madiram Tura Tilde Isak, Nicolas Ari, mangalgela Kailang Ra Salong Kailang Marbebi Ringi. Agidirek kalmasubdra Dorsia Ngiratumrang, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, may madaalim. Agidirek kalmasubdra kawal ngirawaw Chesi Joseph, Mauel the May Obak, Mamspadia Odray Marigo Joseph, malosubdra bekal avad, marangal may madakay ngasew. Ayray agim subdra ngalgra aspong, magim subdra ngalge lamle, ebiledil katsue aberdong, mamosubdra bekal avad, marbebi ragamiw. Rangalgela ringel singewo teong, blitang yoichi singewo, balang hulang wong, matoyoko singewo, marumi raklay, rangalgela ngirakkel et pisong, ranaemi mauella shalom et pisong, mosub darabebi ragamiw. Rangalgela asaw, marangalgela hinako tagewo, mamosub darabebi ragamiw marangalga. Rangalgela ngatway, raros talmang, mosub darabebi ragaw, marangalgela sibong, rael si talay. Rangalgela beng, darasay ichi, maveroniga, mosub darabebi ragamiw, emay madakay ngasew. Rangalgela ay ichi, rasidni ay ichi, dana, marbebi ringi. Marangalgela dalmel, marangalgela Mary moded, marangalgela masayet tanaka. Agidirek kalmasub darangalgela talmatangi lilaw, Teresa lilaw, omisarang ngiraged, Alfred Adalbay, Theophilus Dave, Melanie Dave, Stephen Adargaroy, Mamalsol Dave. Marangalgela ngira itay, Raob Adal Tabe El Stomu, Giku Mochimaru, Adalbay Rangatibang Ephraim ngira itay, Mamgaspasub Del Bekalad, Marangalgela Tetay, Emay Madaalim, Edray nga Sewer Tial Albul. Agidirek kalmasub darangalgelas Masang, Raatuaw, Raadalin, Masandra. Tirgaruba kadirek kalmasub darasi Makot Taryong, Veronica Masami, Mamistiga Ngiraklang, Mamosub darangalgela Balbul, Tamamidol, Mamarcelus Tuur, Emay Madakay nga Sew. Agidirek kalmasub darangalgela Antonio Tuur, Mamosub darabebi rakaw, Emay Madaalim, Edray nga Sewer Tial Albul. Aoryor, agimsub daray badul, Mabilung Gloria Sali, agidirek kalmasub darangalgela, Diray ngayaw laltalat ka Fritz, Raadalbay rakaswa Harry Fritz, Miray Yurigo Materne, Madira dalgong Waisang Mariur, May Madaalim. Agimsub darangalgela, Diraur Makol, Radakter Isaw Makol, Mamgaspasub de May Madaalim. Agidirek kalolngit tarangir etet Robert Yano, Roman Yano, Senator Salvador Talams, Senator Hocons Baules, Matmigo Grace Yano, rangalgela Sabrina Osilek, Mamosub darangal Garamilong, Emay Madakay nga Sewer Tial Albul. Agidirek kalmasub darangalgela nget edong, Radiramyang Damiana Sungino, Madarat Mandrang Rolanda Tangalbad, Mamosub drar adad. Agidirek kalmasub dara sa along Sano Sabal, Madil sa along Gloria Warswick, Mamosub dara ngalgelamle sa along Anatanyo Gikuwo, Marangalgela Silvia Tangalbad, Marbek Kaladad, Emay Madakay nga Sew. Agidirek kalmasub dara ngalgela Uriga Sabal, Marangalgela Kimiyo Marumoto, Ra Amelia Raaged, Makolomba, Mamgaspasub dalbek kalad, Emay Madaalim, Marangalgela Hidego, Maisayas Ngiray Lamsang. Ngar amay agimsub dara ngalgela Orat Chunewo, Ra Johannes Chunewo, Makalday Trungulbay, Marangalgela Baseliob, Marangalgela Masako, Ra Alfonsa Ngirabelaw, Amos Maanelise Emiliano, Marangalgir, Maviola Termetet, Marangalgela Satskiyob, Ra Nora Matigay, Marangalgela Eriga Ngirawsuy, Ra Wilson Machemi, Marangalgela Ibaw Oitrong, Ra Elbil Rakum, Ra Sena Asuma, Agnes Rebetu Besong, Evelyn O. Adalbay, Gregorio Oitrong, Diratalbad la Celine Andres, Jerome Oitrong, Tony Oitrong, Maamada Oitrong, Marangalgela Sumang Damay, Radiraklang Caroline Skabong, Sandra Pirantosi, Hidesong Maader Sumang, May Madaalim, Edray nga Sewer Tial Albul. Marangalgira Rafaela Sumang, Naomi Sumang, Marangalgela Isabela Sumang, Ra Adalbay Ratang Alensid, Adalbay Rairik Glensid, Samuel Sanders, Delegate Manggur Raalulga, Ngiraloy Raalulga, Carmela Raalulga, Tulik Beck, Masayuri Marumoto, Gustav Sali, Kalitang Nabors, May Madaalim, Edray nga Sewer Tial Albul. Agidirek kalmasubadra, Samuel Sakay Ngir Okobay, Maodal Rakatsumi Ngir Okobay, Mgaspasub de May Madaalim, Tial Albul. Rangalgela Raasengla, Ra Enisha Odang, Rablu the Marino Raasengla, Maen Land, Marbebi Ramiu, Marangalgela Ubath, Raagi Maya, Mosub Darbebi Ramiu, Rangalgela RR, Ra Adalbay Rangalday, Edbete RR, Rangalgela Gikuwo Maskang, Ra Senator Rukubay Gikuwo Inabo, Legislator Job Gikuwo, Matahari Gikuwo, Mariana Gikuwo, Ahas Mamanna, Mamgaspasub the Roguy, Emay Madaalim, Edray nga Sewer Tial Kamaldi, Le Aldadu Ratargid. Agidirek kalmasub dra Obad Ismail Sungino, Maobadaldil dil Miriam etumay mamosub dara bekkal ngal gra oklang mar adad may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara rangal nga mar adad dara siyaw may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara rangal gela Berdong Rubas ra Albert Joshua Paulus Ramona Raul mangirat aboet may madaalim edakay nga sew tial albulo. O sisulsub amura dira karkur no nalwi mar bebi ringi mamosub dara adad may madaalim edakay nga sew tial albul. Agi direkal masub dara gawal dirat nger Rose masubda agi direkal masubda ng algela bedo rato siye kaldermen sa maagi ko sugiyama mamay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Agi masubda gal aspang lang rakabsang mamosubda adad may madaalim. Ato kuvetzel subda muratyo ko siba maester ko siba mamosubda adad may madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Yablilyo agi masubda wadal ad satski Florencio mayad kangitsi mamosubda bekal dagawad may alim edray nga sew. Akamaldil maaldadu amoringira Friday, June 19, 2026. Ildi moringira bayray balarangar amay lomu ra 8 a.m. Mukumpmal masaw lero bakal Dios lo makal tangat tarigida rokoy. Tial mula reng saringi yasub dra kamaldi le aldadu ray other amay elyayob il moringira tutara ongayim lurio June 19, 2026. Il moringira bayray balarangar amay. Signed Mial Pascasio Oitrong. Subdra kamaldi le aldadu. Tia subdra o sisil kamaldi lo tobdra nga ramli go el sa awas. Oligong dabdeb ko mga mi, raalula tarkong elis, madaldrar garay ngir oral, sa alyang damruk yalab, madra ab eli mesay, el masub darbek kal adma merbabaldab orior, rakamildi le aldadu ratargi dray adar amay elyayob, el ngalgelayob ililaw, el nosmera May 29, 2026. Emlamot turok lakamildi le el maaldadu, el moringira Friday, June 19, 2026, el moringira bayray balarangar amay, el mga mildil moswelb, tuwab dal mamadakra ekalbay. Giol ngitrar adamam raygal bekkal belu, mamosub drar bekkal adad marngalga, may madaalim edray nga sew. Oryo ragim subdra ebil rayung lulay otobda, mosub drar bekkal adad marngalgraw elgiukla, may madaalim edray nga sew. Agi direkal masubdra, diraw alngel sor igeda, marbebi ringi marngalgir. Tina debelbot, ebil tulik edit debelbot, marbebi ringi, sandi ulang o marngalgel, Dil oligong malat kamong mongami onglung la tiyo ari Valentine Osig Carla Savang wadal at tuto ngiralmaw marbebi ringi marngalgir Enita Edwards Dib Ellis Dr. Omdi Derngul Soalavaw marbebi ringi Dildingalius Brengs Adalbay marbebi ringi Salome Kirk marngalgel rangalgel asum uploda rageori mreb mamay giramur marbebi retir rangalgel asatski yob ranora singeo matigay marbebi retir rangalgel amledil dingalius eriga ngirausuy ra Wilson ngirausuy Kamela ngirausuy matjami titimle rangalgel atalisang Chloe rangalgel obak Luwil Marsil rangalgel rumong rardialul rumong mawarang rumong marbebi retir Monigar irik lamarngalgem Diramid Erena Sebal tamarngalgem rangalgel ay meong ngirora alara Bani Kito marbebi rakaw rangalgel at Kelly Lilaw wadal ad agemi Anderson marbebi ringi marngalgir oy ngrang osig lele mongami madardar karay ngirora al marbebi rakaw tulik Alfonso Diaz rangem Sebastian Andreas marngalgel hatsuit ngir omlay agi olngit mamgas pasub del rokwil ad may madaalim edkay nga sew ngarkaswa lagim subdra rimu Dominica ngoriak maadal bay rakaswa Harry Fritz rablay rat matpap mamosubdra adad marngal may madakay nga sew ngar amay rablay oklang agim subdra ob adra uldra berdong maob adal dil trolley mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sew direkal ngar amay yagim subdra dirarur nglod ngiray-ngas mau awar Ramon Rabay Francisca Sangbaw marngalgel masusan ngirawsuy emgas pasub de may madaalim edkay nga sew ngar beed agim subdra adri buglokyo saal mabekal dil guye Anastasio mosubdra bekal ad marngal garablay rangribukl may madaalim mertial gamaldi le aldadu ray adar amay Eliayob, ilmlamotro kalmongira June 19, 2026. O sisul subdra kamaldi, lamurar adamam rangar along, magim subdra rubas subadhyang ubday, Valentino Amasyo, Amanya Maeriga Emmanuel, mamosubdra adamarangal, emay madaalim, edray ngasew. Ngarar dagim subdra karay madilbugd, ong truy at Joe Raklay, Sabina Termetet, Celine Raklay, Philip Raklay, marangal gelaw ngireng Ramot, Ratakriw Salvador Ramot, Helen Ramot, ma-legislator Saburo Ramot, mamosubdra adad marangal, emay madaalim, edray ngasew. Aleuy rablay rangar madangir, eng spadala rablu the marino rasengla, Ebil Hermana Umetaro, malaalbalu Basael Kiwulula, Melson Miko, Naomi Erongos, Obaklubil Rikl, Katsumi Erungla, Kasual Bishop, Legislator Poligarp Marcil Marbebi Ringi, Florencia Miser, Segundina, Maualyo Ngiramaged, Rangalgela Loms Inasyo, Maulay Taltul Marbebi Ringi, Mamosubdrar Adad Marangal, Emay Mamngasumam. Sisulsub Damorar Admam Rablay Raklay Ray, Magi Olingit Turgawal, Tuarmel Rani Ngira Ariang, Mam Asal Ebil Raklay Moded Baules, Mamosubdrar Adad Marangal, Emay Madray Ngasewer Tial Elsang. Iliakal Spadela Ramaligo El Sawas, Oligong Dabdev Mongami, Madaldrar Karay Ngir Oral, Mamadar Abab Eli Mesay, Amorar Mangsong Karay Mariur, Where Awar Ramon Rabay, Spis Valentino Ngirgiklang, Kaltngul Rabay Uduy Humang, Badul Okadat Itong, Marabu Celestino Malsol, Elkmo Mosubdrar Adad Marangal, Elgirel Tial Gamaldile, El Duray Adar Amay Eliayob, El Mlamotrok El Moringira, June 19, 2026, Rabay Ray Balaw, Rangar Amay. Kompmal Masulang, signed Ramaligo El Sawas. Subdra Gamaldile El Duray Adar Amay Eliayob. Tia Subdra Gamaldi, Lontob Dringar Mangsong Karay Mariur, Where Awar Ramon Rabay, Spis Valentino Ngirgiklang, Kaltngul Rabay Uduy Umang, Badul Okadat Itong, Marbu Celestino Malsol, El Kumatargid Ray Adramay Eliayob, Amlosme Ramabadingelang Aramor, Emlamotrok Lakmaldilel Aldadu, El Moringira, Ongay Mlurior, El Tri Eti, El Gabasingil Ongelol Malbuil, Friday, June 19, 2026. El Di Moringira Bayray Bala Rangar Amay, Orior, El Mosuel Vem Utwab del Momdakla. Magimsub Darabek Adad, Marangal Garagablira del Gong, Mamay Madaalim, Edray Ngaser Tial Albula. Magim subdrar adamam rabek kalbalu. Maolay ngar along agim subdrar hatsko sato marbebi rakaw. Eriga Emmanuel marangalgem. Diram tawi el talat kamadrang ar marbebi rakaw. Sabrong ay Raymond marbebi rakaw. Ruad Paulina Iskang marbebi rakaw. Maria Asuncion el Desel Oywil marbebi rakaw. Denisha Mariur Ubde marbebi rakaw. Adalbay Rabadul Baudista Sato. Maay Tatemong. Dire kalmsubdra tet sing it sato sadawor yung may adrading Abraham Osima mamosubdra adadra blayur marangalgela marraw at altoy ngaklaw ngarar dagim subdra ngalgela malsol ra optuila malsol mosubdra bebirakaw ma Valentina Edsom marangal ka agi dire kalmsubdra hana ingay sa manahen mamosubdra bebirakaw dire kalmsubdra Basilia Temael dire kalmsubdra ngalgela sa iyang marilang, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial kamaldili al adu. Ngiwal lagim subdra haruwo ngiramkati, Pablo Tamol, Delegate Elender ngiramkati, Wanda N. Timarong, Linda N. Malaytaw, Valeria N. Talay, Malgayok, Ikuko Okotol, Mangarbay Boysek Talay, Mosubdra adad marangal ka. Ng SR, Kamrekla Zacarias Siangaldev, Dwayne Hideo, Dr. J. Lingan, Dominic Tamarcel, Umi at Jeffrey Antol, Inariang Rabay, Gracia Leonardo, Ertung Elisa Watanabe, Norma Etiver, Maemilda Avalbay. Agidira kalmsubdrat nga si Krisong Saito, mamosubdra bebirakaw marangalga. Dire kalmsubdra Obakaram u Sydney A.E.T. marbebirakaw. Iray agim subdra raalul ringang mates, buigaspi Sherman Daniel, wadal adra asel takako rulukda, Sieko Daniel, Paulina Ramangasaw, mamosubdra bekal adad, marangal garatlungal gara asel. Agidira kalmsubdra ebilas masong Marta Yaad, madirameu en Mary Adeao, mamosubdra adad, marangal gelagitang, Direkal mo subdara ngalgel adiraibu, marangalgel eungel, marangalgel omtilo. Agi direkal mo subdara ira aligasakas, mamo subdara adadra o ngalgaray gasakas. Agi direkal mo subdara yaw or the ort koe, lama evil rairik lasadaria adalbay, mamo subdara ngalgela ngiroit, marangalgela etumelew, marangalgela balelas, marangalgela ngiraitpang. Orior wadal ad maura cordon, siska sangabaw, marangalgem ra diluew, udu sangabaw senyor, mamayreng sangabaw, marangalge lamle dirarur dilub rabay, radirarur nglod rabay ngiraingas, matarga ra vernis rabay, marbebi ramiw marangalga. Rangalge lagunigo oigang marsil, ramarta marsil, marbebi rakaw. Ebil raroy mihaynata marcel godeb, marbebi rakaw. Ngalge la simako wali, rasisinya ueda, marbebi rakaw. Merci Mariur Bitalao, la marbebi rakaw. Lili Oilo, akaw marbebi rakaw. Tamyana en ngirataboy, ta marbebi rakaw. Julia Oib, marbebi rakaw. Daria Abrel Mateolol, marbebi rakaw. Ulang the May, marbebi rakaw. Rangalge labeng the sa awas, rawadal ad sendi sa awas Lazarus, maramligo el sa awas, marbebi rakamiw marangalga. Marangalge lamle wadal ad margi mongami, ramadra abaab tabdeb mongami, madorin onglungla, marbebi rakamiw marangalga. Rangalge lamogirong osig, rawili osig, rangalge layob ililaw, marangalga. Rangalge langir ora alililaw, ratulik Alfonso Diaz, makaray ngir ora, marbebi rakamiw. Rangalge la rumong ililaw, rardialul rumong, marbebi rakaw. Rangalge lamda la debelbot, ralosaw odaw, makarla siyang savang, maklen siyang, Maria Basilius Agitaya, ngayaol naruwo, umay naruwo, Merlin Basilius, Umay Basilius Isida, Clio Basilius, Susan Ngirausuy, Pascuana Blesam, marbebi rakaw. Malik Siska Besong Kel, Marigo Thomas, marbebi rakaw, marangalga. Domin Mistru Tomei, marbebi rakaw. Benita Masubda, Hoshiana Rungulbay, Deborah Masubda, Ngiratnger Hiob Masubda, Matthew Masubda, April Masubda, Fred Sangbaw, Maumi Sangbaw, Maru Aliw, Sukurad Sabal, marbebi rakaw. Wilson Ngirausuy, marbebi rakaw. Saturnino Tewid, marbebi rakaw. Dennis Oilo, akaw Marul Reynold Oilo, Maruul Liw. Jan Gabo, Felix Olgaril Minor, marbebi rakaw. Rangalgela Olgaril, Billy Naruo, Bruce Ngirgutling, Spis Cordon, Isaw Sato, Yusim Sato, Valent Oigang, Jenkins Mariur, Denisio Mariur, Ngiratutang Eldesel, Samuel Eldesel, Kabugol Rablu, the Silverius Besong, Benito Thomas, marbebi rakaw, marangalga, Henry Belesam Maruulem, Agidire Kalmusubdra ngalgela Rigrig Spis, marangalgela the May, Meledang Tamol, marangalgela Brel Maebil. Kamiul mlabas ang kliw, mosubdra bebi rakamiw, maradad, marangalga, May madagay nga sewer tial gamaldi le alda adu. Tirgal adal mladakal madungang clearer tial subda, mausubes edibo modangay, May madakaswes edagay nga sewer tial gamaldil. Tirgal adal modakal sabiiril mortial gamaldil, asabiiril ding mayaw lungusurir, ilmam sa ramangsong garay mariur, malubeng uwadal ad maura cordon. Kompmal masulang, signed ramangsong garay mariur. Subdra gamaldil, tia subdra tobdar ngaw el magdiw susumu mori, Rungruel Herman Omelaw, Joshua Cosiba, Joe Cosiba, Governor Brownie Simer, El Kumatargi Dray Adar May Eliayob, Amlosmer Mabdingelang Aramor, Emlamotrok Lakmaldile El Morira June 19, 2026, Salongay Mrurior. El di moringi rabay ray blarang amar orior, lomura etuklora tutaw, el motalyal sil se mo uragir. Tiamo kumaldili al dadu, magik malalngit rarokil adamam, rababal daw, ma orior mayol daw, mamay madaalim, edray nga seol masatyalul bongal sil, ranggal targid ray adaramay elyayob, el mlamodibus radlong led. Ngart ma, agim subdra arangas lusyo ngiraywet, mamo subdra adadraywet, may madaalim, edray nga sew. Ng esara gim subdra ebgeu tad ngira mangyor, mamo subdra adad marangal gray balu, may madaalim edray nga sew. Ngaklaw agim subdra rut arar rayholt ngiratyo, makabasang Etiob, mamosubdra adad marangal garaksid, may madaalim edray nga sew. Imli gagimsubdra rol simer, maka-Werner Brownie simer, mamosubdra rangal may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra, rangal gela kalulaw nga maes, mamoltur radalmiw, may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra rangal gela Clarence nga maes, mamoltur radalmiw, may mga sumam. Orior agim subdra rubas a Gabriel Adalbay, maoob Rahel Beserak, mamosubdra adad marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra wadalad agemi Anderson, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Yosua ma Esther Kosiba, mamgaspasubdalo ad marangal may madray nga sew. Direk kalmsubdra Runguruel Herman Omelaw, ma Ivan Rudim, mamosubdra bebi ramiw may madaalim edray nga sew. Direk kalmsubdra Fred Mori, ma Frida Dulmaw, mamgaspasubdra ma bebi ramiw may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Katsumi Taima, mamosubdra bebi rakaw marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Dilbur Tina Sali, may kaw marangal gem, edaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra ngalgela Sibong Arbadul, Raros Edmund, may gaw marbebi rakaw madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Resinia Chunewo, mamgaspasubdra kaw marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Diratublay Debbie Minage Ramangsaw, marangal gela Haruwo Nirom Tilo, Raoligong Pablo Haruwo, Julia Haruwo, mamgaspasubdra ad may. Agidirek kalmsubdra Dr. Deborah Ngamaes, ma O'Brien Ngamaes, mamgaspasubdra ad may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Alex Meltel, mamgaspasubdra may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Lighter Dolmers, mamgaspasubdra marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Apolonia ma William Siprit, mamgaspasubdra marangal may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Annabeli Ngiraybab, mamgaspasubdra marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Salguy Ngirngesay, may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Gloria Oserve, may gaw marbebi rakaw marangal madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Rabin Ngirababul, may gaw marbebi rakaw madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Prima Oib, may gaw marangal gem edaalim edray nga sew. Balilyo agimsubdra Obakalol Peter Napoleon, madilpak Kego Bedor, mamgaspasubdra adada marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Direk kalmsubdra Yugi Tulob, may gaw marangal gem madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Elbil Moniga Ichiro, mamosubdra bebi rakaw may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra Susan Cruz, Mayokichi Mori, mamgaspasubdra ad may. Agidirek kalmsubdra Ongayay Mark Mabel, mamosubdra adada marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Tirigel at mamalimlodek lawas ang clear, mausubes, lengklam nga tela subdaul. Olangit may madaalim edray nga sew tial sils. Adios lolamol malamakal tangat pergidrokoy. Kompmal masulang, sign o el magdiw susumu mori. Subdrak maldil. Kaya subdrak maldil loltobdringa o el the may obak. Mangirawa at Jesse Joseph. Mangiraylab Ricky Ngiragev. El moraroil adrir, el ngaray galbaluel mo. At targid ray adar amay Eliayob, amlamosmer, malwaise yakmaldile lamo 3 wal gabsingil ongelol malbuy June 19, 2026 el demoringira bayrangar amay. Malwaise yang ayang agim subdra ngiray tao ngiraged, Jack ngiraged, Governor Richard ngiraged, ma Rina ngiraged, may magimgay ngese wertial albul. Yangar along agim subdra nangalgela Emmanuel maldangsang marangalgir, mangiraw regda tjak rangul, el mosubdar adadra regda, may madray nga sewertial albul. Ang rar dagim subdar ngalgela atsko ngirmakur, ramaged ngirmakur, losi singewo, ngadig singirmakur, ngariam ngirmakur, baluong ngirmakur, magayla ngirmakur. Yang artma agim subdara masubdat kel, mayat kel, eltmo mosubdar bebi rangamiw, may madray nga sewertial albul. Ay malig agim subdara odray Marigo Jackson, Antonina Ngiraroy, Alvin Ingrakli, Maodal Ramid Ingrakli, Francisca Selbart, Wilson Selbart, Rubas Obak, John C. Kel, Mary Samsel, Ray Obak Ari, madraw adal adray maligal mo may madray nga sewertial albul. Ayray agim subdra si Mako Taryong, Veronica Masami, Mistiga Ngiraklang, Dixie Taur, Proy Taisang Rakamasik, Lali Yikluk, Adalain Ngirakasaw Ringang, Machoni Ryu Ngaluk, May madakay nga sew. Agidira kan subdra kaw taru nakamura, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, marangalgela ngirawnyang, may madakay nga sew. Agim subdra ododi ongrung, marbebi ringi, marangalgelamle ngirigiklang Marcelus Tuur, Ratjanet Tuur, marbebi ringi, elkmom gaspasub de may madakay nga sew tial albul. Agidira kan masubdra Christina Malwat, ma Donald Ringang, malosubdra bebi retir, may magimgay nga sew. Agidira kalmusub dargaw uwais kabong, ma Ignacio Daniel, mamasub dar baby ragbiw, may madakay nga sew. Ya orior agim subdra Antonia Joseph Kiosi, Leilani Chansrut Tamngil, Darwin Inabo, Tulik Ramali gang R, Maebil Tulik Deo lang R, elkmo may madaalim, edakay nga sew tial albul. Agidira kalmusub dra Benjamin Ngaluk, James Ngarwangal, Uwadalad Giru Ngarwangal Pedro, Early Sally, Maodal Ratjanson Sali, Marangalgela Dabdeb Warswig, Ra Ismail Ramot, Jewin Mauew, Tommy Warswig, Joe Warswig, Maclary Warswig, Elkmomay Madaalim, Edray nga Sertial Albula. Ato kubet sa Spedela Uel the May Obak, Mangarwaw at Jesse Joseph, Mangiray Lab Ricky Ngiraged, Amorangir Ete to Norbertiano, Matmigo, Elkmo, Mosubdar adad marangal may madakay nga sewertial albul. Direkal to kubet sa spadam amora obad Ismail Sungino, malosubdar adra okulang, may madakay nga sewertial albul. Ang klamotela subdaw ul, malangaringyar adma malmlodekal madungang clear, edilaw subes, elaw takangal may magim alim, egim gay nga sew. Kompmal masulang, ya Dios lopengge del diblo oil. Tial mulareng seringi, asubdra kamaldilela, ya other amay Eliayob, el di moringira Friday, June 19, 2026, el di moringira bayrangar amay. Signed, UL the May Obak, ngarwaw at Jesse Joseph, ngiraylab Rigi ngiragid. Subdra kodal na kamaldil maaldado. Matya subdra kodal na kamaldil maaldado, laltob na nga ebil yung la Dr. Ulay Otob, Abbas Paul Uegi, Mial Pascasio Oitrong, Rengel Simon Derbay, Lormans Otob, Victor Gumangay, Huelas Ngiratumra, Maka-Governor Brownie Simir. Ay other amay, edire kalbuik abas rangaramid, amlosme ersera May 29, 2026, eluy etiul gabasingil ongay malbuil. Abadingel ang garuba ang aramor, lamotro kalmotob dar ongay malurior, haltruy etiul gabasingil al longelol malbuil. Friday, June 19, 2026. Ang tob dramor ratutaw, al morabay raibalaw, mga maldil mo talyal sils, mamadakra ekalbay, rangar amay. Magim subdar kamiwar adamam, mamay madaalim edakay nga sew. Malway se, agim subdar kamiwar adamam ngaray galbalu. Mga ramidar orior, agim subdra, rangalgelam le ebil rayung lo elbil olaw, ra ebil abas batildes olaw la marangalgel. Ngirabin sa daklas uwegi marangalgel, abas Paul uwegi marangalgel, Manangalgelam le Abbas Minami Uwegi, Ratjoy Uwegi, Valentin Uwegi, Jan Uwegi, Elena Ueva, Omdasu Uwegi, Meluso Uwegi, Raslin Uwegi, Marbebi Retir. Manangalgelam le yung la Dr. Minoru F. Uwegi, Rakosuye Uwegi, Junior Uwegi, Marbebi Retir. Ngaspasub de may madaalim. Rangalgela ebil yung la Breng sa Otobda, ra ebil yung la Dr. Ulay Otobda Marangalgel, Rangalgela Hiroko Otobda, Lydia Otobda Marangalgel, Sigbik Otobda Master sa Marangalgel. Olngitra rangalgelam le Wong the May Otobda, ra Delegate Lee Otobda, Legislator Carlo Otobda, Ngay Otobda, Maedumail Otobda, Mamay Madaalim Mertial Albula. Rangalgelam le ebir yung la Ator Ngirom Tilow, Radil Dingalius Omarol la Simer, Marangalgel, Marangalgelang Amay, sa Dr. Deborah Madison, Maria ngamay, sa O'Brien ngamay, sa McClinton ngamay, sa Marangalgela Kalulaw ngamay, sa Raosis Mereng, Marbebi Ringi, Marangalgela Clarence ngamay, sa Rashila, Masim Rangos, Maorgid, May Madaalim. Rangalgela Umtilow o Kumangay, Rawilma Kumangay, Ma Victor Kumangay, marbebiratir, mamgaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sewertial albula. Rangalgelamle rebes, Alfonso Oitrong, Rackreis o Erungla, Marangalgelamle Omikbil Elma Oitrong, Raator Oitrong, Berta o Ito, Ashley Oitrong, Bloyang Oitrong, Mapankin Oitrong, May madaalim edgay nga sewertial albula. Rangalgel abloyang Oitrong, Rat James Oitrong, marangalgel olingit may madaalim edgay nga sewertial albula. Rangalgel amler yung ngiray nga sa Oitrong, raw elbil rakumr senna asuma marangalgel, Mial Bascasio Oitrong marangalgel amle dingalius Isayas Oitrong, Evelon o Avalbay, Marangalgel, Agnes Rebetu Besong, Celine o Andres Marangalgel, Gregorio Corint Oitrong Marangalgel, Jerome Oitrong Marangalgel, Matoni Oitrong Marangalgel, Mamgaspasubdload, Marangalag may madaalim edgay nga sewertial albula. Agidira kalmsubdra yadra derbe Ignatius ngirmeril, Madiliad Chudi ngirmeril, Marangalgelamle ngiray tungolbay sa tuo ngirmeril, Marangalgelamle yadra derbe Merol ngirmeril, Marangalgelamle diliad antina mawi, Marangalgelaniga umadib, may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidira kalmsubdra Ibudul Raidong, Adolf the May, Madilibudul Sabet Rivera, Mosubdra Bebi Ramiu, may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdra tulik ramlig ang ar, maebil tulik de olang ar, mamgaspasubdra load, may madaalim. Ngarmid rablay rang rukubid, yagito kubet salmasubdra ngalgelamle uodal ad beng di lilaw, raramlig uel sa awas, masendi sa awas ulang ong, madiramid erena sebalt, Mosubdra rangal may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle diraw alngel mdaal debelbot, ratina debelbot, where awar, diraw alngel losaw debelbot odaol, Mosubdra rangal may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle wadalad magirong osig, rawili osig, ma-Valentine osig, may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle wadalad margi mongami, raoligong dabdebg, Mongami, Dorin, Onglung, Tio Ari, Mabuiga, Malaalbalu, Lele, Mongami, Mgaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Abbas, Yob Ililaw, Rangalgelamle Buik Abbas Eliayob, Marangalgela Satski Yob, Marangalgelamle Dildingalius Erigangi Rausuy, Mamgaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Oligo ngir ora Lililaw, Ramadar Darar Karay ngir ora, Latulik Alfonso Diaz, Motol Albert, Mabani Kito, Mamgaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Ramlig Rumong Ililaw, Rardialul Rumo, Mawarang Rumong, Mamgaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Dildingalius Ongrol Yalab, Radildingalius Brengs Avalbay, Delay Yalab, Linda Iyar, Magrace Yalab, Ngaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Diulaw Aboy mga sabu Yalab, Radirayrung Dr. Omdidangul Sualavab, sa Alyang Dambruk Yalab, Pastor Balgu Sandario, Marilu Santos, Cloldil Singewo, Magay en Yalab, Mosubdrar ad marangal may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Dingalius Mareb Arwang, Rageori Mareb, Kenneth Mareb, Mamay Giramur, Ngaspasub may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Alul Dr. Roy Singang Yalab, Rayrabay, Salome Yalab Kirk, Maolsing Yalab, Mosubdar Bebi Ramiu, may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Ebilay Balaw Ros Girturong, Rar Alul Tarkong Elis, Uwadalat Tutog Ngiralmaw, Madras Kalsol Darius Elis, Maebilay Balaw Enita Edwards, Ngaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sew. Rangalgelamle Ramli Gar Irikl Tiyay, Ramoni Gar Irikl, Cyril Fujimi, Minister Stephen Victor, Ngaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agito hubet selmsub rangalgela pasawal ti itong elngarngar rangalgela tamaye Mersay ra Rosemary M. Olgril marbebi ringi marangalgela tatsuo adachi radira idung Sandy Toribyong mangir erangal satoru adachi marbebi retir. Ngaspasub de motrang lelmay madaalim edgay nga sewertial albula. Agidirek kalto hubet selmsub rakabrina ti idip marangalgel olangit may madaalim edgay nga sew. Ay mali ang spadala Governor Brownie Simer, marangalgelamle ebil yung Lios ko ngira tumrang, rador siya sabla ni Gertang, uelas ngira tumrang, malivan ngira tumrang, marbebi retir, marangalgel ambresbang oitrong rakatsumi taima marangalgel. Rangalgela mitsur oitrong rab ekaldil eva kyota mamadraing lay amalak oitrong mamosub darangalgiw emay madaalim edray ngasew. Tadire kalspa darangalgela thereby raringe el simon thereby rurudala ngir ababrang ol alid kasuyugi rang ol jogo dukor marangalgel. Serenya mami sa marangalgel rangalgel asatski dukor dirungulbay sariang mat ka marangalgel rigel en takataro marangalgel madangalyang en raklay marangalgel madirat mendalang Damiana Sungino marangalgel Julia R. Kime Hailey Ri marangalgel Diramatugur tilde I isa ka marangalgel Ma Marcelino Olgari la marangalgel Ma legislator Colas Ri marangalgel Mamgaspasub de may madaalim edgay ngasew Agi direkal masub dra sa Araymul Joshua Valesam Madil sa Araymul Fuana en Takataro Mamosub dra arangalgel amle sa Araymul Ngiriyo Marbekal adad may madaalim edgay ngasew Malgayo kaya tubet sa espada mamoraraklay bawang girmang maebil raklay Mitsko Walter olangit mamosubdar adad may madaalim edgay nga sewertial albula. Ayray agim subdra Yosie de Leon marangalgela miyatyo kay marbebilengi o malngot ki kuye ngirngasang marangalgel Masiego Daniel marangalgel olangit mamgaspasub de may madaalim edgay nga sewertial albula. Klamatela subdaul malngaringar adama malmlodyak madungang clear ilakabol muknitarang miw mautrang lalmay madaalim edgay nga sewertial albula. Madakumpal masulang edgausing erselsils rakamaldil el June 19, 2026. Signed Abbas Paul Uwegi. Tialmulareng saringi asub rakamaldil maaldadu raya adar amay edirekal buik Abbas rabalurang armi del Elyayob el ngalgelamle Abbas Yob ililaw mamle elbil rakumra bas Elyob el nosme ersera May 29, 2026 lamot terkok lakamaldil maaldadu el moringira ongayim lurior el June 19, 2026 el di moringira bayray balaw el ngarangar amay rabalur orior ratuta el motalyal sils mamadakar odosong ra ekalbay rangar amay.
Tial subdel mulareng stringi adiagal spedel madiagal tigingel malub engul desuel adias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul topdengi haraorngi kohmal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palawan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
This is a Fox News alert. A breakthrough with Iran. I'm Lisa Brady. President Trump calls it a great settlement that could be finalized in the next few days.
And most importantly, we have a deal that Iran will never have a nuclear weapon, which was the whole purpose of what we had to go through to get this.
The president telling reporters he has spoken to a number of leaders in the region today, including the Israeli prime minister, and that the Strait of Hormuz will open as soon as a deal is signed.
We have a signing soon, and the documents are in pretty final shape. So we'll see. We'll see. Very good. Should be done. That should be done pretty quickly. They want it every bit as much as everybody else wants.
The president taking questions in the Oval Office after posting earlier that he was canceling a planned third night of attacks on Iran.
President Trump posting on Truth Social that the strikes were canceled and that some sort of deal was imminent. On Truth Social, Trump posted, based on the fact that discussions with the Islamic Republic of Iran have been brought to the highest level of Iranian leadership and approved, I have, as President of the United States of America, canceled the scheduled strikes and bombings against Iran this evening.
Fox's Max Gordon in Dubai. Iran had responded to the past 2 nights of strikes with more attacks on Gulf neighbors. Now, Iranian state media is reporting that the Iran Foreign Ministry is saying a large part of the negotiating text has been finalized, but suggesting that essentially it's not a done deal yet. President Trump also announcing today a new nominee for Director of National Intelligence, Jay Clayton, a federal prosecutor. He's been facing bipartisan pushback over picking a top housing finance official, Bill Pulte, to serve as acting director, and he does not appear to be backing away from that. Earlier, Democrats and some Republicans protested Pulte by opposing a temporary extension of a key surveillance tool, which is set to expire midnight tomorrow. America is listening to Fox News. A sudden resignation in the British government as the defence chief accuses the Prime Minister of not doing enough to defend the UK.
John Healey's resigning as UK Secretary of Defence because he wants more money for the British Armed Forces. In his letter of resignation, he tells Prime Minister Keir Starmer, "You have been unable to commit the resources that the nation needs to defend the country at this time of rising threats." Last year, the UK joined other NATO allies in promising to increase the amount of money it spends on defence. But John Healey points out that British intelligence believes Russia could attack as soon as 2030, and under current plans, he'd be forced to reduce the UK's military readiness. In London, Jonathan Savage, Fox News.
The move is another blow to the Prime Minister, who's already under pressure from some in his own party to step down. The countdown continues to a White House event that would make history.
The UFC is set to stage its first ever event on the White House South Lawn Sunday night. A mixed martial arts card timed to President Trump's 80th birthday and the nation's 250th anniversary. At Media Day, several American fighters leaned into patriotic themes. Michael Chandler called walking from the White House to the Octagon a dream come true. Middleweight Bo Nickel, who met the president in 2019, called the bout a massive opportunity. One of the more polarizing fighters, heavyweight Josh Hokett, said he won't apologize for anything he does.
Fox's Jared Max. The event still faces a challenge in federal court over rules barring sporting events on federal parkland. Soccer's World Cup kicks off with the first 2 matches in Mexico today. The U.S. opener is tomorrow in L.A.
Perhaps the most difficult part of organizing this entire thing has been creating consistent natural grass across all of the venues. Now, here in LA, the pitch is built on top of the gridiron, raising the field almost 3 feet.
Fox Business's Kelly Saberi. It's the largest ever World Cup, 48 teams. I'm Lisa Brady. This is Fox News.